I am so glad to see you back. For today's lesson, we will learn letter C. Letter C. Are you ready for my big box? Okay, here's my big box filled with things that start with letter C. Letter C, we will learn our letter C. This is my first object. What is this? Cow. What this one? What's this? Car. What is this one? Big crayon. Crayon. What's next? What is this? A cup. And what's next? What is this? A cake. A birthday cake. Yummy. What is this one? Comb. Ooh. What's this? Candle. I have this. This is so healthy. You try to eat this. It's color orange. What's this? Carrot. Say carrot. Great job. Let's continue, my friends. This is the uppercase C. This is the lowercase c. Uppercase C and lowercase c. This is the uppercase C and this is the lowercase c. And this is how we write the uppercase C. A long and big curve. And this is how we write the lowercase c. A short curve. This is how we write the uppercase C. And this is how we write the lowercase c. Sing along with me. Ready? Car begins with k, begins with k, begins with k. Car begins with k, begins with k, k, k. Carrot begins with k, begins with k, begins with k. Carrot begins with k, begins with k, k, k. Cow begins with k, begins with k, begins with k. Cow begins with k, begins with k, k, k. Cake begins with k, begins with k, begins with k. Cake begins with k, begins with k. Candle begins with k, begins with k, begins with k. Candle begins with k, begins with k, k, k. Yay! Thank you for singing along. Time for our letter C collage. And for letter C, I will make a carrot. You can try this at home. Look. My letter C collage. And this is carrot. Craft time with Teacher Lori. Today for our letter C, we are going to make a floppy cloud. Cloud starts with k, cloud. You ready to watch Teacher Lori? You can try this at home. This is so fun. This is my flappy cloud. Look how cute. And you can hang this. Try this at home, okay? I'll see you. Come on, kids. Join with me outside. We will watch clouds up in the sky. Okay? Let's go. Tim, what do you see?
I see clouds. I think it's going to rain.
What is this, kids? A milk. Do you drink milk every day? You should, because milk will make you healthy and strong. What animals give us milk? Goat or moo? Cow. It's a cow. Cow gives us milk. We're done, kids. I hope you had fun learning letter C with Teacher Lori. Bye-bye. Till next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.